Hi guys, Dan with Six Monkeys, and we're introducing our slat rack. This is a really small, compact roof rack system. It only has 2 rails. It's about an inch lower than our normal roof rack, and this thing weighs just nothing. So we're gonna go ahead and install this thing and get some good footage of it and show you how to install it. This particular one is outfitted with some forward and backwards facing lights. These are going to be optional. The roof rack itself is going to start off at about $475, shipping included. So let's get into this install, show you guys how it goes. Thanks. Alright guys, so when you receive this roof rack, it'll be broken down into parts. What you need to do is do a little pre-assembly. So all you're going to do is find your front and your back slats. Your front slat will be longer than the back slat. You'll also notice that at the ends they are cut at a 1.5 degree taper. Make sure that the longer side faces the front. You'll notice on these side rails, your driver's side will have the Six Monkeys emblem. So as long as you have this one on your driver's side, you'll know what side is the front and what side is the back. Very simple to install the slats. You'll have these small 1024 bolts. They thread right in. Just get them kind of snug. And once you have those snug and you have everything together, you can go ahead and remove your factory rails from the roof of your vehicle. So let's go ahead and check that out. And alright guys, so we've gone ahead and pulled these factory rails off, and it's very simple. It's going to have 6 buttons on top. The 4 in the middle actually hold hardware. The one at the very back and the very front never have hardware in it from the factory. So that one there and the other one, you're going to want to run an M6 by 1.0 tap into. Just clean them out. And once you get those cleaned out, go ahead and clean off your roof. There'd just be a bunch of debris and acorns and all sorts of things stuck up there. So go ahead and clean that while you can. And then we're ready to set our rack on top. So let's go ahead and set it up here, and we'll get it tightened down and finish up this process. Pretty easy. Alright guys, so once we have it lifted up here in place, you go ahead and put in the supply bolts in every one of the 6 factory buttons. Pretty easy. Just want to get an Allen wrench, tighten them down to about 7 foot-pounds. It's very crucial to tighten down to 7 foot-pounds. Take note that the factory buttons will have approximately a 1/4 inch gap between the button and the mount plate. It's very crucial to have that. The way these mount, they bridge, so that way you get proper down pressure without putting any pressure on your factory bolts. Once you have everything tightened down, it's rock solid. So let's go ahead and take a overall look at this thing. You see it's very low profile. We got our lights in the back, 6M logo on the driver's side. We got our lights in the front. Pretty cool. And guys, this does have a 600-pound weight capacity. So you can put a rooftop tent on here, and anything that will attach to standard crossbars will attach to these slats. Pretty cool product, guys. Find it at www.sixmonkeys.net. Thanks.